This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by pinpointing the exact use: verification, business line, or privacy. Once decided, quickly compare 2-3 providers for country coverage, SMS or voice support, API access, and price. Make sure you have a valid payment method and any ID the provider requires. Install their app or be ready to use the web portal. This prevents backtracking later and speeds the purchase process while keeping your desired features front and center. Next, filter numbers by country, local versus toll-free, and required capabilities like SMS, MMS, or voice. You choose between rental and permanent numbers. Rental is cheaper short-term, but renewals can add up, so weigh the recurring cost. Configure call forwarding, voicemail greetings, and SMS webhook or API endpoints now to avoid later setup friction. Once configured, preview billing terms so you understand refunds, porting restrictions, and automatic renewals before you finalize the purchase. Finally, complete payment, accept terms of service, and save your invoice or receipt for records. Immediately verify the number by sending an SMS or making a test call. Configure 2-factor or access controls to secure it. Make sure to update any services that will use the number with the new endpoint or webhook. If something goes wrong, first check region restrictions, account balance, and renewal status. Then confirm porting or DNS settings with provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.